Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another Get to Know Me. Today's question is gonna get me a little fired up just because I've already read it and I'm like, I think I know what it is. So the question is, what is the most annoying habit that other people have? Now, I don't know if this would be considered a habit or like a skill. I guess it's between both, but I'm just gonna say bad driving. It grinds my gears when people do not use their blinkers. Like, come on, what do you think they're there for? Like, not for decoration. Like, come on, dude, use it. It's especially when people have like humongous trucks. I'm like, dude, like, why are you getting such a big truck if you're not even driving it correctly? Like, they'll be like swerving and like they'll like turn randomly at a random street for like, I don't know, 5 seconds before like we're supposed to keep going, and they don't use their blinkers. Yeah, I mean, I guess they feel like they can do that just because they have a big truck. Also, like, well, I mean, even smaller cars, like, I mean, I don't think this is a matter of the car power, like, it's because I don't know anything about mechanics or cars, so I can't say like, oh, it's because they can go I'm pretty sure there's like they can go up to like at least 70 miles per hour. So I don't understand why people, I told you guys this was gonna get me so fired up. I don't understand why people drive 35 miles per hour in a 50 miles per hour area. Like, explain that to me. I understand if like there was a light and it just changed to green, and of course you can't like just accelerate like a crazy person, but like there's no lights. Like, what? Why? I mean, I can't say that I'm like the best driver ever because I'm really not, but dude, just like follow like the rules and like we'll all be good. I swear, like, I've always wished for like flying cars because then, you know, traffic wouldn't be a thing, and there's not even that much traffic in Brownsville. Like, I mean, it's worse like in Dallas and like Houston and all those areas, but I can with this like whole terrible bad driving. Chill, Yadi, chill. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you learned a little bit more about my mad angry side. I'll see you guys next time. I hope you guys have a fantastic and wonderful and great, amazing, blessed week, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your family and friends and other loved ones, co-workers, dogs, everyone. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.